Hi guys, welcome back. So now, uh, here in this session, I'll explain one issue which is being faced by multiple students. So when you guys are like using S4 HANA, let's suppose in S4 HANA if you create the middle master, so you guys will be getting some issues related to material ledger. I'll just show you here. Go to MM01 and let's suppose select this industry sector, and here I think my middle type is TM01 itself. Yes, press enter, enter. Okay, so these are the selections. These are the things which you have to select, and then press enter. Enter the details. Oh, sorry, not this one. Once again, I'll have to use MM01. Okay, so press enter, and once again enter plant ID, storage locations, and press enter. So look at here, material ledger must be set productive for valuation area TM01. So here my valuation area is the plant itself, right? So the plant code. Now, so here, what is the solution? Solution is you have to activate the material ledger, and here in S4 HANA guys, this activation is must. In the sense, technically you must have to activate this material ledger. Functionally, whether client is going to use it or not, that is totally depends upon them. But if you have to proceed further here, in this configurations, if you have to create the material master, you must have to activate this material ledger. So how to activate guys, that I'll show you here. And if you talk about the what to say steps, that is already specified here. Click on the message. Here itself you will be having certain transaction code that you have to follow. So these are the transaction codes. Scenario 1, better to follow this scenario 1. So these are the transaction code which we have to use, and then the final one is CMK start CKM start. Now, so how to proceed further? So just do one thing. Let me open one new screen here, and then go for here. Yeah, first of all 02, right? So you have to go for this one. Here I'll just activate the transaction code so that you guys will be able to see here. OMX2 is the transaction code. First I have used. Click on inventory, and here material ledger type. So you have to specify a code here. I'm going to give a 4-digit code. I'll give TM01 itself. Descriptions you can specify here. Press enter. Right, nothing else apart from this. If you talk about this, okay, define individual characteristics. I think here already by default, yes, company code currency is there, so no need to make any experiment. Simply save it. And then the next transaction code is this one, X3, OMX3, I think. Yes, OMX3. Here, once again, click on inventory. Valuation area, you have to specify valuation area. My plant itself is my valuation area, right? So material will be valuated at plant level, so that plant is going to be treated as a valuation area. So the plant code I have given here, and then material ledger type, that TM01 I have defined now. Company code by default it will appear. If you press enter, your company code will appear because the company code is already having assignment here, right? I hope the initial configurations you guys have done, because if you have to create the metal master, whatever the minimum basic settings are required from MM side, that must be completed, in the sense creation of plant, purchase organizations, storage locations, assignments, and all these things supposed to be completed. Then only you can come for, then only you can create the metal master, right? So just save this one. Now the next step is OMX1. This transaction code we have to follow, and here the material ledger activation, right? So click on position, and my valuation area is TM01, right? So here activate this, and this price determination, right? Price determinations, select two only. Okay, here transaction based. See, transaction based means what guys? This is related to yes, moving average price, I think, map. So select two and press enter and just save it. Okay, press enter. Yes. So this one is done. Now what next? The next one is here, this transaction code. We have to execute CKM start. So /n followed by CKM start, and give your plant code here, and then okay, so this is going to be a production run, so you need to remove this test run here and execute. Let's see here, job name. Any job name can be given, like let's suppose PM01 material ledger activation. Simply I've given this code, right? So confirm. Okay, output device. So standard output device LP01 we are going to use here. Press enter, again enter. Okay, so it is already scheduled, right? Now the job must be finished. So where we have to go? Here we have to go, right? Service, jobs, and you can go for job overview, right? Here job name star. So click on execute. No job matches. Select this schedule also, and this is already scheduled, right? Now this must be status must be finished, and then we can proceed further. Okay guys, so look at here after some time. Now I have checked. Okay, you can refresh here. So this is finished, and now just go to MM01 and let me give here the details. Press enter. Okay, this is already logged by me only in a different screen here, right? So I have to come here and then press enter. Now it is working. So now you'll be able to create your material master, and whatever this issue was there that is related to material ledger, that is solved, that is gone.